Hey everyone, in this Photoshop tutorial we will learn how to remove people like this. So let's get started. We are in Photoshop. First import your image. Then select the Object Selection tool, Mode to Rectangle. Make a selection around the subject, then go to Select, Modify, expand the selection. Go to Edit and then Content Aware Fill, choose the settings according to your preferences, hit OK. Repeat the process for the wonky area. Press Ctrl+D to deselect, and boom, you are done. Subscribe this channel for more videos. Like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.